Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up Pip Receiver in your MetaTrader terminal. As you can see, I already have an MT5 connection created, but no trading account is connected yet. Now I'll download Pip Receiver for MT5 and install it in my terminal to connect my trading account. In this video, we'll use MT5 as the example, but the process is exactly the same for MT4. After downloading, you'll receive a zip file. First, extract it. Inside, you'll see two files like this. Next, we'll copy both files into the Experts folder, a file, Open Data folder, MQL5. Experts. Copy extracted files. Paste them in the Experts folder. After that, right-click on Expert Advisors and click Refresh. You should now see Pip Receiver appear in the list. Double-click it to attach it to a chart. You can attach Pip Receiver to any chart, it doesn't matter which one, and you only need to attach it to a single chart to trade all symbols. In the Dependencies tab, make sure you enable Allow DLL imports. In the Common tab, make sure Allow Algo Trading is checked. Now, go to the Inputs tab. You'll see several advanced settings here, but for now, you only need to enter your license key. To get your license key, go back to the Manage Connection page in Pip Sender, copy your key, and paste it into this field. That's it. Pip Receiver is now connected, and you can see the connection status displayed here. If anything goes wrong, you can check the logs in the Experts tab for more details. Also, make sure that algo trading is enabled in your MetaTrader terminal. Trades will not be executed if this setting is turned off. Now, let's open the Expert properties to understand the available settings in Pip Receiver. First, you'll see the license key, which is the unique key for your connection. Next is the magic number, used to identify trades managed by the Pip Receiver. There's also the filter by magic number option. When set to true, Pip Receiver will only manage positions and orders that match the specified magic number. The max deviation setting defines the maximum price slippage you're willing to accept when placing an order. These inputs are grouped under the General section. Next, the symbol mapping section allows you to map symbols from your alert messages to the actual symbols used in your trading account. The risk management section includes options to help you control and manage your trading risk. Finally, the schedule section lets you set up scheduled tasks. Alright, let's go back to the symbol mapping section. First, we have the symbol prefix input. This allows you to specify a prefix that will be added to the symbol in your alert message. You should use this if your broker uses symbol prefixes. Next is the symbol suffix input, which works the same way but adds a suffix instead. The mapping list input allows you to map custom or alternative symbol names to the correct ones, used by your broker. For example, you can map gold to XAUUSD or silver to XAGUSD. Just separate each mapping with commas. All of these symbol mapping options are case insensitive and will be applied to all symbols in your alert messages. If both prefix and suffix are configured, they will be applied after the mapping list has been processed. Now let's take a look at the risk management section. Here you can define a list of allowed symbols. Any signals with symbols not included in this list will be ignored. If you leave this field empty, all symbols will be allowed. Please note that symbol mapping is applied before this check. That means you need to use the final map symbol when defining your allowed symbols. For example, if you've set up symbol mapping as above and want to allow trading for gold, entering gold will not work. Entering XAUUSD still not work. You need to enter the exact final symbol used by your broker, it's M.XAUUSD hash, to allow alerts with the gold symbol. Alright, let's continue. In the min trade size input, you can define the minimum allowed trade size. Signals with smaller values will be rounded up. In the max trade size input, you can define the maximum allowed trade size. Signals with larger values will be rounded down. Next, we have the max opening positions input, which defines the maximum number of open positions allowed. The max symbol positions input limits the number of open positions per symbol. And the max unique symbols input defines the maximum number of different symbols you can have open positions in. Let's enter some example values here. We also have max daily loss, which controls the maximum total daily loss from open positions, and max daily profit, which sets the maximum total daily profit. For example, I'll set the daily loss limit to $100 and the daily profit limit to $500. If the total result of positions opened during the day exceeds these limits, new orders will be rejected. Please note that only positions opened from the start of the current day are included in this calculation. Next is the pyramiding setting, which controls how many positions can be opened on the same symbol. Allowed means no limit. Multiple positions can be opened on the same symbol. Allowed in profit means additional positions are only allowed if existing positions are at break-even or in profit. Only one buy or sell means only one position per symbol is allowed. New orders will be rejected. Only one per side means allows one buy and one sell position per symbol. The close on reverse setting defines how positions are handled when an opposite signal appears. Disabled means no action is taken. Existing positions remain open. Netting means existing positions are closed, but no new position is opened. Hedging means existing positions are closed and a new position is immediately opened in the opposite direction. If you send a buy or sell request while any of these limits are reached, the order will not be executed. However, actions like closing positions, canceling orders, or updating trades will still be processed. Now, let's move on to the schedule section. Please note that this feature only works while your MetaTrader terminal is running with Pip Receiver active. In daily close trades, you can choose Disabled if you don't want to schedule any daily closing, or select from options like All Positions and Orders, Open Positions, Winning Positions, Losing Positions, or Pending Orders, depending on what you want to close. In daily close time, you can set the exact time for the daily close. The weekly close trade setting works the same way, but on a weekly basis. In weekly close day, select the day of the week you want the action to occur. And in weekly close time, enter the scheduled time for the weekly close. Once you've finished your setup, click OK to save. You'll notice that the status temporarily disappears, then reappears after a few seconds. In the experts log, you'll see that Pip Receiver disconnects and then reconnects. If you've enabled notifications for these events, you may also receive alerts. This is normal and expected behavior, so there's nothing to worry about. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.